Good day everyone, I'm Jomar de Guzman. My activity 1 is use of ICT in everyday life. The computer for studying and for making PowerPoint, presentation and project, so that other tasks can also be done faster using the computer. Then the transformation naman po is motorcycle are used to make the traveling to work or other place faster. And communication naman po is the Telegram, Messenger, and Facebook are the used to contact and update parents more quickly, and to is usually easy importance news and warnings whenever something is happening in your country. And yun lang po. Thank you.